Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 3, Lesson 4. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to express the length of an object using centimeter cubes. So looking at this, first we want to look at our criteria, seeing exactly the rules for our measuring. So the first criteria or rule is saying that all units used to measure must be the same size. So it has to be the same size centimeter cubes the whole time. Then number 2, align the centimeter cubes with endpoint. So it's going to be from endpoint to endpoint. And then number 3 is be sure that there are no gaps or overlaps. We cannot have any gaps or overlaps. So looking at this, we have to say which picture shows the correct way to measure. So we have these centimeter cubes and we're measuring this bone. So we have to look. Now remember, first thing is that all units used to measure must be the same size. So let's look to see. All of these the same size. Yep, so it looks like on all 3 pictures, they're all the same size. So that's good. So they're all good for that first criteria. Second criteria is align the centimeter cubes with endpoints. It has to start with an endpoint. So now this one, it's, oopsies. From this one, it's from endpoint to endpoint. Oh, I can't draw. Yep, so that's good. This one is from endpoint to endpoint. Yep. So now this one is not from endpoint to endpoint. So nope. That one was not measured from endpoint to endpoint. So nope. So then let's look at this last criteria. Be sure that there are no gaps or overlaps. So we're looking at the cubes. Are there any gaps or overlaps? Oh, well, look right here. There's gaps. We can't have gaps. So nope. So which picture shows the correct way? So I'm going to say picture A, B, or C. So I'm going to say picture B shows the correct way to measure. Now, excuse my handwriting because I am writing with my finger. So picture B shows the correct way to measure because it is measured from end point to end point. Now, if I had more room, I could keep on going and say it's measured from. I said that it's measured from endpoint to endpoint. I also could say there's no gaps. I can also say, I'm going to rewrite this right here. I also could say there's no overlaps. And we also could say that it's using the same size units the whole time. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.